Never stop improving. Successful people are always creating, always developing with new ideas. They're always asking how I'm offering to service to people with my business, my career, my thinking, and my resources. Never accept the normal. Always push the envelope to excel to extraordinary. Use some time well. You would like to be a master at managing some time. Time could be a commodity that when it's spent can never return to you. This moment that you are sharing right away will never go again. Nowadays will never go again. You can't recapture what you could have done today. Be good at focusing some time on its items that actually count. Add value. Successful people are always asking themselves, how am I able to help people better their lives? How am I able to help people come one step closer to their goals? How can I add value to my client's business or help them to be more efficient within the business operations? Simply, you help people get to their goals, they are going to help you to get to your goals. Success cannot be had unless you're taking someone with you. Build relationships. In every aspect of our lives, relationships could be a vital part of it, in such a large amount of ways. People love being around people they trust. Moreover, as doing business and socializing, make the time to create strong relationships without the pretense of missing a buying deal or gaining new customer. In such a large amount of ways, successful life comes right down to the standards of our relationships commit to excellence. Successful people want to be the simplest at what they are doing. They require to face for the best good and they truly want to be excellent. You'll be able to achieve success on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and take Tuesdays and Thursday off. You have got to be excellent all the time or simply be ordinary. What choices are you making to begin your day? Now that you're just conscious about the item truly successful, you will be able to be better. And as you start to create better choices, you will see better results.